Hello, this is Salvatore Vinciguerra. Welcome to the French Quarter in New Orleans, Louisiana. Today I'm visiting the U.S. Mint and the New Orleans Jazz Museum. The U.S. Mint is a part of the New Orleans Jazz National Historic Park. If you're staying in New Orleans, there's plenty of parking in the neighborhood. It's a very nice area. It's the Frenchman area, and there are nice local jazz clubs for the evening. On the first floor of the Mint, there are some Mint memorabilia, as well as some old instruments. Here's a violin made by Mollie in about 1830. This is today's exhibit, Jazz en route to France. This is Albert Nicholas's clarinet. It's a Buffet, Crompton and Company, 1942. This is a new exhibit, Women of Jazz. This is Fats Domino's piano. It was rescued from his home after Katrina, and it was restored and brought to the museum. This is Louis Armstrong's first cornet. It's a Champion silver pistol. This is Pete Fountain's clarinet. It's a Selmer clarinet made in 1939. And this is a gift from the New Orleans Jazz Club. The museum's on the second floor, the concert hall's on the third floor. Today I'm here to see one of their free jazz concerts at 2 p.m. This is where musicians record. All of the concerts are recorded and they are preserved, and they can be found on the National Park Service website. Today's concert included the Hammond Trio. It's usually performed by a guitarist instead of a violinist, so it was kind of unique in that manner. Charlie Denard was a piano student of Ellis Marcellus. The violinist was Mollie Ducoste. And the drummer was Hunter Miles Davis. Other parts of the museum serve as an art gallery. These are part of the Louis Armstrong collages on exhibit. This is artwork that he created. Here's another exhibit. It's called Herman Leonard, Documenting the Giants of Jazz.
Leaving Hammond, you go down to the corner. From Walnut, you go down. Last house on the left. With the street name intersects. That guy's played drums with Billy Allen for Duke Ellington. He was a drummer. Eddie Tucker's uncle.
This is Dizzy Gillespie's trumpet. It's by Richards Music Company in 1965. It's a gift of the New Orleans Jazz Club. After visiting the Mint, you can take a self-guided tour of the New Orleans Jazz National Historic Park, which goes through the French Quarter. This is Salvatore Vinciguerra. Thank you for watching this video on the U.S. Mint and the New Orleans Jazz Museum. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.